Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe, hit the bell so you get all the updates, and enjoy.
Phoenix model Sonic MK2 with the Magnum Pro 45. Let's do the maiden flight and see how it goes. It's never been flown, so let's hope it's on the That's a tiny little thing, isn't it?
Yeah. It's already small.
Are you ready? Lean it out real quick. She's ready. Keep it a little closer. We'll press that Magnum Pro 45. We'll see. There we go. We'll bring it in for a landing. It's a little too lean. Let's see how the landing goes. Alright. Let's see. A little too lean. Yeah, we'll turn that one.
Third time's the charm.
Never go moment in the hobby.
I've seen TV shows like this when airline disasters on Nat Geo.
Let's see if we can avoid that. Here we go. Nope.
Oh. I think it might be called When Disasters Strike.
It could be. Let's do this. Let me hit pause button. Alright, here we go. Let's try this again.
Fourth time's the charm. Right now that pilot is scared.
That's a lot.
I would not want to be the pilot of a Sonic right now. I'd be nervous.
I'll land it and try to figure out if we can. This is a half throttle, so. This is not smart what I'm doing. But it's fun. Maybe it's realistic for the hobby.
Yeah, this is what really happens. Everything's not perfect.
Nothing is perfect. But it's fun. And it's super stable. That's a half throttle. It seems happy.
You need a bigger prop on.
We're just gonna fly at a half throttle and get used to it. Then we'll figure out the engine. Let's see. Bring it around. Let's see what full throttle looks like. Oh, now it's flat. Okay. That's full throttle. So it's happy. go. I'll bring him in live. It's a quick one. It'll be hard on the camera, man. I'll bring it back in. I'll bring it even lower, okay? I'll speed fast. That's a Magnum Pro 45, has full throttle. It's happy at full throttle. Not really at medium throttle. It flies good. Small airplane gets small quick. We'll do one more and I'll set up for a landing. We'll figure out the engine issue. It went really well. Alright, and setting up for the landing. Wind coming from right and left. There. Lands kind of quick, like a chaos, but it flies very dialed in. Everyone looking out. Take it. That's an excellent flying little airplane. Flies like a cat.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe so you get all the updates.